Our topic is school and school life. School is the place where education starts. Teachers do the work of teaching children in school. The environment of school motivates children to learn. Children see both primary growth and mental growth in school. It is the place where we learn to differentiate between right and wrong. The value of school depends on the quality of its teacher. The modern school also focus on various culture and social activities for children. A school follows a fixed curriculum of studies for every class. Apart from studies, a school must also impart skills in its students. Every single thing learned in school helps us in our life. Thank you.